In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock objects in Miro. Whether you're working on a shared project or just want to prevent accidental changes to an element on your board, locking objects can be a lifesaver. Let's dive right in. First, open up your browser and head over to Miro.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll want to look for the login button, which is usually located at the top right corner of the site. Click on login to proceed. This will prompt you to sign in to your Miro account. Now you have a couple of options here. You can either sign in with your email or, if you find it more convenient, use your Google account. For today's demonstration, I'll walk you through signing in using your email. So go ahead and choose the option to continue with your email. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be directed to your Miro dashboard. Here you'll see an overview of all the boards you have access to. Locate the specific board that you wish to work on and click on it to open it up. This is where you'll be performing the task of locking an object. With your board open, identify the specific object that you want to lock. This could be anything from a text box, a sticky note, an image, or any other element that you might want to remain static. Once you've identified it, select the object by clicking on it. This action will cause a boundary to appear around the object, indicating that it's currently selected. Next, you need to right-click on the object. Doing this will bring up a context menu with several options. Look through the list and find the option labelled Lock. Click on Lock, and just like that, you've secured the object in place. You'll notice that once locked, any attempts to move or alter the object won't have any effect, which means you can confidently continue working on other parts of your board without worries. And there you have it. Locking objects in Miro is a straightforward process, but it's a critical skill for maintaining order and structure in your collaborative projects. Remember, if you need to make changes to a locked object later, you can simply unlock it by right-clicking again and selecting Unlock. Thank you for tuning in to today's tutorial. I hope you found it both helpful and easy to follow. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks to improve your workflow. If you have any questions or further needs, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Until next time, happy creating on Miro.